If you want to speed up and optimize your Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down, and then you want to look for Device Care. Over here in Device Care, we should be able to go to Memory, and what you can do is you can simply clear the memory with a single button. Over here we can also see apps that are going to be affected, so most likely they are going to be just stopped from running in the background at this given moment. So we can tap over here in order to quickly clear the memory. Alright. Besides that, in the memory menu, we can also find RAM Plus, which is of course a feature that allows you to increase the memory on your phone. By default, 4 GB is selected, at least in my case, and we can increase it all the way to 8 GB. So if you need to speed up your phone, you might want to switch to 8 GB, and in order to make it work, we'll have to restart our phone. Alright. Besides that, we should also be able to find auto optimization, which is worth enabling if you want to make sure that your phone is optimized in a slightly better way, or it can be automatically optimized. And it is done by performing automatic restarts. So we can enable, of course, we can enable both options, but you can use one of them if you don't really want to use both of them. So we can, for example, allow the phone to automatically restart when needed. For example, when performance issues are detected. But of course, later on, you want to kind of keep in mind that, this option is enabled, because if your phone suddenly restarts at one point, of course, you might be surprised if you forget about this option. And there is also restart on schedule, so you can allow your phone to automatically restart at a given day, at a given time. You can, of course, quickly adjust it, so it can happen, for example, at night when you are sleeping. And besides that, it is also worth checking out battery. So let's go to battery settings in here. And what you want to do is, of course, you don't really want to use the power saving mode all the time, simply because if we go to the power saving option, once it is enabled, if we go to the settings of the standard one, for example, then you can see that the CPU speed is limited to 70%. So this, of course, decreases the performance of your phone. And this is something that we don't really want to do, of course, if we are talking about speeding up our phone and optimizing it. And remember to also check out recents or the list of background apps. So from time to time, at least, you should be able to go to, well, you can always do that, but you should go to the list of background apps and you want to close apps that are running in the background. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.